Hey guys, in this video, I will review the Duratrax Six-Pack SCs. I will first start with unboxing, then first impressions, and go in detail on how it performs on various terrain. For the tests, I will be testing them on my Slash 2-wheel drive, since it exaggerates traction loss. So the first thing I noticed is that the compound is very sticky. And the next thing is that the foam feels very firm, yet has a bit of give on the outside, which is good, since it reduces tire ballooning at higher speeds. Now the tires look like they're glued on well, so we shouldn't have any issues there. Now let's put the tires to the test. So after running it on various terrain, including pavement, there's almost no wear on the tires. They seem to be holding up well. Overall, it seems like a great tire, a good competitor for the Proline trenchers or Badlands. Pricing wise, it's much more affordable compared to the Proline tires. As far as traction goes, it's ideal on short grass and semi-loose terrain. In addition, it has minimum tread wear, balloons very little, and is overall very well balanced. As for the drawbacks, it's a little loud on smooth surfaces and rubs a little bit on the rear of the fenders. It's also smells like chemicals, but I think I'm nitpicking at this point. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned some things from it. If you did, give this video a like and consider subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next video, and have a nice day.